Right, next type, solving by using the quadratic formula. Although this looks exactly like the last example, remember it'll tell you use the formula or it'll say round your answers. The quadratic formula, you don't need to memorize the quadratic formula. It's given to you on the first page of your exam paper. It's minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a, not 2ac at all, just 2a. A is the number in front of the x squared term, so a is 3, b in this case is the minus 2, and c is minus 7. And then the first step is to just put those numbers into the formula. So we're going to get x equals minus minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times minus 7, all divided by 2 times 3. When we did this last time, the first thing we do is we work out the bit inside the square root and we make sure we get a positive answer because we can't have a minus answer. I would suggest you put that in a bracket, and if you've got a minus number here, put that in a bracket as well. So you find out on this one that that comes to 88 for this whole bracket. So on the next line, we're going to get minus and minus just makes positive, plus or minus the square root of 88, all divided by 6. From here, we can look at our either or scenario where we can break this plus or minus sign into two options. We either have x equals 2 plus the square root of 88 divided by 6, or we have x equals 2 minus the square root of 88 divided by 6. So we're taking this plus minus and splitting it into the two options, and then you plug that into your calculator, and again I put a bracket around the top depending on which calculator you've got. So we get 1.90, and when it's minus we get minus 1.23.